So finally we have parked our car at this parking और we are walking to Lake Louise. Snow गिर रही है हल्की हल्की. It's -30 degrees outside और अभी wind नहीं चल रही तो it's bearable. इतना ठंड का लग नहीं रहा. I don't think so. और but snow काफ़ी ज़्यादा पड़ी हुई है. Difficult to watch where we are walking and but beautiful scenery. I'll just show you right now. इधर क्या कुछ एंट्री भी होती है क्या? Thankfully मैंने 2 socks. मैंने socks like the shoes I'm wearing are not perfect for this weather, so I had to put on 2 socks क्योंकि I am stupid because यहाँ पे ठंड का थोड़ा आइडिया रहना चाहिए था और -30. I haven't even been in -10 in India, तो फिर it's a big jump. But लेक लुइस जाके देखते हैं वहाँ पे if it's wind और wind chills होंगे तो it will be tough. तो अभी तो it's still bearable, but let's see and let's go inside and see what they say. यही है वो लेक लुइस. फोटो ले रहा है. फाइनली
2 किलोमीटर का ट्रेल है
लेक लुइस और विजिबिलिटी अभी इतनी है नहीं मेरे पीछे. आई थिंक सो थोड़ा आपको दिख रहे होंगे माउंटेन रेंजेस हल्के से इफ यू कैन सी, बट विजिबिलिटी इज वेरी लो. एंड Ankit bhai, finally Lake Louise.
Yeah, finally.
How are you feeling?
It's gonna
Cold?
be 1.8 kilometer long trail, so
Oh no.
possibly we'll
Strong
be walking
shoes.
for another. Yeah, not in a good shoe.
Yeah. Oh. So, मेरे पीछे जो आप ये देख रहे हैं पूरा वाइट जो लैंड है, इट्स द लेक. इट्स टोटली फ्रोजन राइट नाउ. इसके ऊपर बर्फ भी जम चुकी है. बट इफ यू कम इन स्प्रिंग और समर्स यू विल सी अ क्रिस्टल ब्लू लेक ओवर हियर with mountain ranges covering it, but because of visibility issues mountain ranges भी दिख नहीं रहे. But still it looks pretty, I'm not gonna lie. Looks very very nice and magnificent with the snow covered. What is up? Or we are entering Jasper National Park right now, and that's Saz.
Doing some sketchy shit.
That's I'll tag Saz LinkedIn account on my channel so you can know.
It's not me.
Yes, it's
Yes,
you.
it just kinda.
I'm not on
Tarnish my
LinkedIn.
image, that's all.
Okay, pretty good for me. I'm not on LinkedIn.
So we guys are entering Jasper National Park. So they gave us a pass that we have to stick on our car's windshield. वो pass around it costs around $20 for one night.
Not around, exact $20.
Exact
bro.
$20.
Size.
So exact $20 and for one night. So हमारा hotel that's in Jasper itself. We are staying in Jasper for one night. We just came from Banff. Banff से. Oh my
Holy
God.
shit.
So
Zero visibility, bro.
So yeah, so the road is very like it's just one lane like two-way road, and उन्होंने बोला कि यहाँ पे Jasper तक which is around 225 kilometers away there is no gas गैस स्टेशन और सेल रिसेप्शन भी कम ही होगा. So zero cell reception और gas station भी नहीं है. So जब यहाँ पे आओ, make sure your car is with full gas and you have plenty of food and water with you. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं. हमें around लगेंगे I guess
3 hours.
yeah 2 hours 40 minutes. That's what our map is saying. और yeah, if you go to Jasper, be prepared. अभी तो हम विंटर में आए इसलिए they had to give us more warning. But if अगर समर में आओगे तो I think it will be much better. The views will be nicer. अभी भी अच्छा है but we just have to be careful while driving क्योंकि visibility बड़ी कम हो जाती है when a car is coming from the opposite side. तो काफ़ी बर्फ होती है सड़क पे. So I think next time I'll see you guys in Jasper itself. Ankit, do you want to say any remarks?
Yep, gonna have fun.
Okay, see you later. Finally arrived in Jasper. We have reached our hotel and time हो रखा है अभी 4 PM I think. तो हमें अराउंड 3-4 घंटे लगे. इधर भी हवा काफ़ी है लेकिन रास्ते में सीनरी बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर थी. जितना दिखा मुझे जब रिकॉर्ड करने दिखा मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया और आपको दिखाया. और अभी भी लाइक थैंकफुली थोड़े ब्लू स्काइज आ गए हैं. मेरे पीछे शायद आप देख सके, शायद ना दिख भी रहा हो बट या इधर यू कैन सी द माउंटेन रेंज एंड ब्लू स्काइज. तो वेदर इज़ नाइस और आई एम स्टेइंग एट दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड माउंट रॉबसन इन एंड जैस्पर अल्बर्टा. और ये हमारा होटल है. अंदर लॉजेस बने हुए हैं पूरा. वी पार्क द कार देयर एंड let's get checked in ASAP. Mr. Ankit, finally in Jasper.
Yeah, man.
Feeling good?
Yeah, super good.
That was a nice journey, right?
I love the journey so far.
Oh, let's see. Let's check in this hotel and see how it is. Hello, what is up? और आज सुबह we've been blessed with sun. So when we woke up, it was bright, sunny outside, and it's the perfect weather to ski and snowboard. तो हम वही जा रहे हैं. We're going to a ski and a snowboarding lodge. I think it's around 16 minutes away. But thankfully आज धूप मिल गई हमें and it's और बिल्कुल perfect मौसम हो रखा है. अगर मैं यहाँ से आपको थोड़ा दिखा सकूँ शीशे से, it's you can see the mountains. थोड़ा wind से थोड़ी आवाज़ अटक रही होगी but beautiful weather and I'll show you the ski and snowboarding area as well. And yeah, let's go there. Finally at the ski place called Mormont Basin and we're gonna check the ticket prices. और मैं आपको बताता हूँ कितने का टिकट कितने का पड़ता है यहाँ पे.
So rentals would be separate. So we could also do like a Discover for you guys as well. I just need to make sure if we can actually do it at 12 o'clock for you. And it's the 2-hour lesson, which gives you the lesson rental and the work ticket as well. But you'd be paying $131 per person.
Okay.
With it everything. Let me see what it would be if you were to buy the private lesson and everything separate today. It's
Okay.
much better.
finally got my ski boots and my ski gear, and we're gonna go take a lesson to ski first and get our safety gear and everything, and then I'll see you guys on the mountain. Ankit already all dressed up for skiing, I see. The good thing is that the weather is beautiful today to ski. As you can see, nice sun, fresh snow, and the ski thing, it costs around 130 per person. So we are all set to ski now. Saurabh, he's gonna snowboard. He's snowboarding because he has skied before. Me, Saz, and Ankit, we're gonna ski today. We've got a gear, we've got ski goggles, and we've rented out the ski gear, and we're gonna go now. Class is about to start. It's a 2-hour lesson. So 2 घंटे में we're gonna learn how to ski. Beautiful weather, like it's still very cold today, but thankfully wind is not that much. So फिर sun में it's gonna be easy, and we're gonna take a trolley from here. I don't know if you guys can see. So we're gonna go from this train up there and ski down and take lesson. Saurabh, so the skiing begins. This is my skiing wear. Mask for COVID obviously, and also helps with the cold. And the glasses are really helpful because it's very sunny outside. And now I'm gonna go downhill and practice how to stop. I can't record, but amazing experience. Do try please.
तो व्यूअर्स को बता दे कि
सो अंकित भाई और मैं ऊपर जा रहे हैं स्लाइड पे, और अभी काफ़ी ऊंचाई पे हम, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू द टॉप. और यहाँ पे आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं लोग यहाँ पे स्की कर रहे हैं, एंड वी आर एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी हाई राइट नाउ, एंड आई एम स्केर्ड ऑफ हाइट्स, बट बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है.
scared of height?
Yeah, man, little bit. But yeah, but it feels good, right? It's एक झूले जैसा. You just sit in one of these slides ऐसे जो आ रही है. So we are just going uphill, और वहाँ पे what we learned for 2 hours. We took a lesson and we are going to implement that. तो हम implement करेंगे जो भी हमने सीखा है, stopping, speeding और taking turns. और हमारा instructor and one more friend, they are right in front of us. You can see. So they are there over there in front of us, and we're gonna follow their instructions, what he does, and we're gonna do that. And yeah, right now we're pretty high, and you see people doing this.
Mountains on the back.
But the view is amazing view, awesome view. Like trees are covered with snow, feels very Christmassy. So you see this guy. He's snowboarding, and we are skiing right now, and next time maybe I'll try snowboarding as well. So abhi to skiing mein it's going good. We learned the basics.
Look at my skis.
Yeah, we should get some brand promotion from Head.
My nose is freezing.
नाक में ऐसे लग रहा.
हाँ, जम गया.
नाक के बाल भी जम गए.
हाँ, सब जम गया है.
Oh, it's too freezing. But still, when you do this, your body is warm. You're sweating, but your sweat also freezes after a while.
What?
That's the most.
It is so wide. I had my glasses on. I'm like, this thing looks pretty different now.
Yeah. So yeah.
Why
मैंने तो
did
अपने
you-
glasses हटा दिए थे starting से ही.
Okay.
नीचे ही.
Man.
ये अंकित तू भी first time ही कर रहा है.
Yeah, man. This is very first time.
इंडिया में तो ये
कुछ ये होता ही नहीं है,
शायद
क्योंकि बहुत
हिमाचल
रिस्की है
में
ना, होता है तो बहुत रिस्की है
और
उधर। और
इतनी सॉफ्ट स्नो कहाँ गिरती है,
हाँ,
बहुत
हाँ।
ऊपर जाके गिरती होगी
वो,
शायद।
और यहाँ टेम्परेचर इट्स लाइक फील लाइक -40 चल रहा है फिलहाल।
या टेम्परेचर इज -40 फील लाइक, बट हाँ अभी शायद से मेरा नाक भी थोड़ा जम रहा होगा, बट थैंकफुली जैसे मैंने पहले कहा सन अभी भी है एंड वी कैन सी एवरीथिंग क्लियरली. You can see
One
these
heck of
people.
experience, man.
Yeah.
First we had
See.
this late night hot tub.
Yeah.
Yeah, in -40.
Yeah,
And
Jasper.
then again-
Jasper is turning out to be very amazing,
Yeah.
for sure. It the way to Jasper, हमारे रास्ते में नेटवर्क नहीं था, रास्ता बड़ा खराब
Yeah,
था. But once you reach it, it's a pretty amazing town, small town, बहुत कम population है.
और क्या
बहुत-
amazing पिज्जा था वो उसका।
Yeah. And Saz.
So guys,
And Ankit bhai. So Saz, are you ready?
yeah man, I'm pumped up.